Welcome back to Primetime News, and a special welcome if you're watching online at onespotmedia.com. Jamaican students studying in the United States could be impacted by new directives issued today by U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement, ICE. It has announced that it will not allow foreign students to remain in the country if all of their classes are moved online in the fall semester because of the coronavirus crisis. ICE gave the updated guidelines in a statement. Debbie Ann Wright tells us more.
In its statement today, ICE said non-immigrant F1 and M1 students attending schools operating entirely online cannot take a full online course load and remain in the United States. F1 students pursue academic coursework and M1 students pursue vocational coursework. ICE says students in programs that are entirely online must depart the country or take other measures, such as transferring to a school with in-person instruction to remain in lawful status. Such students can also take medical leave to maintain their status. If not, they may face immigration consequences, including the initiation of removal proceedings. And it says the U.S. Department of State will not issue visas to students enrolled in schools or programs that are fully online for the fall semester, and Customs and Border Protection will not permit these students to enter the United States. ICE says schools should update their information in the Student and Exchange Visitor Information System within 10 days of the change if they begin the fall semester with in-person classes, but are later required to switch to online-only classes. They are also required to update the system if a non-immigrant student changes their course selections and as a result ends up taking an entirely online course load. Due to COVID-19, the Student and Exchange Visitor Information System instituted a temporary exemption regarding online courses for the spring and summer semesters. This policy permitted non-immigrant students to take more online courses than normally permitted by federal regulation.